built on a rock plateau of volcanic origin, a municipality in an outstanding location, with inspiring trails and innumerable backways of spectacular beauty, great natural diversity, and surroundings conducive to outdoor pursuits. The plateau is cleft by a river canyon, on either side of which stands the town. Excellent local wines and prestigious wineries and restaurants, with a monumental bull ring, scene of historic bullfights. A wide range of recreational facilities, always aimed at well-being. Rhondda is like this. Marvellous scenery.